towing it away. Look at that, extra strength. Extra strength to tow it away. Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is, it's JJ. You know, once again, we back at it. Like an addict, no rehab. You know, I'm addicted to giving you guys all this advice and information you're gonna need to get that car of your dreams open. But you know, just right here, I'm at this car lot, this small little car lot that I used to work at. Me and the manager had a falling out over, you know, some dumb stuff. But hey, that's his loss. But it is what it is. But yeah, I'm here at this lot because I'm speaking it to an existence now. I'm speaking into existence. I'm gonna write it down. By next year, I'm gonna have a second car lot open. It's gonna be a second. I'm gonna have a second location open. I'm speaking it to an existence now. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and you guys let me know what y'all think. It's located on the main street. It's located down the street from where I live, so it always works out best when your business is close to home. Yeah. Show you guys what it looks like. Put my keys in the pocket. Actually, in a pretty nice size location. You know, got the little entrance point right there. You'll probably, you got two parks. That's what it looks like. This ain't the name that it used to be. So it's been like two car lots here before, after, you know. So it's decent spot on the corner of a main street. So you have a lot of foot traffic. Let me get the address so I can call. 1536 South Midwest Boulevard. Let me get that information. And let me take a picture of this sign so I can call them and see how much they're asking for it, if they're gonna answer. Maybe we can get that all on video for you. Yeah. You see they got that sign, and then that little sign thing comes on. But I think those things right there is just a big waste of money. Like, you know, like the sign is okay up there, but I'm talking about the little words that come across the little screen. It's a waste of money. I mean, people gonna know that you're a car lot, so you know they're gonna come in regardless. Ain't what happened. Something happened. They got a yellow sticker on the door. So then you got little access bays right here that you can lift up and pull cars in to work on. It's not a lift bay like a mechanic bay, but you know, you're not out there in the sun working on cars. But yeah, we're gonna give them a call and see if they answer for us. Let's see you guys. Let's see if they're gonna answer and see how much they're asking for this piece of property. You know, let's see if we can get that for you guys. You know, back in my little hoodie. Oh, let's call them and see. What was the number? Creek 405 510 0079. Let's give them a call and see what they say. See if they're gonna answer.
Thank you for calling Creek Commercial Realty. If you know your party's extension, please enter it now.
I don't.
For Ethan Slavin, press 1. For Tyler Huxley, press 2. For AJ Tolbert, press 3.
I guess I've got to press 2 for Tyler.
Thank you for calling Creek Commercial Realty. If you know your party's extension, please enter it now. For Ethan Slavin, press 1. For Tyler Huxley, press. Please hold while we connect your call to extension 2.
This is Tyler.
Hello, sir. My name is Al. I was just calling to see, was the property still available at 1536 South Midwest Boulevard?
Yes, that is. We still have it for lease.
Okay, and what is the asking rate on that monthly?
So it'd be $2,700 a month, and then the tenant pays for their own utilities.
Okay, so $2,700 a month. The tenant pays for his own utilities. Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha. I appreciate that. Yeah, because I have a car lot right now on Southeast 59th Street, and by a couple months I plan on opening up another one. So, you know, I just wanted to call and get the figures. So I'll definitely be calling you back.
If you want to meet out there and get in the space just to get eyes on it or anything, just let me know. I'd be happy to do that.
I'm right here looking at it. I used to work here like a couple years ago. I forget when it was under a different name. But yeah, I know what the inside and stuff looks like already. So I just needed to call and see what was the monthly rate going on for it.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, so I'll definitely be giving you a call back here in about a couple months, you know, just to make sure it's still available, and then we can go from there.
Okay, that sounds like a plan.
All right, appreciate you. You have a good rest of the day. Bye. So $2,700, I think it's a little bit too expensive, but I negotiated. You know, if we can get that down to like, we can get that down to like $2,000. That'll be better for me. $2,700. Yeah, I know it's a corner lot, but it's been so many car lots off and on. So you know, I think $2,700. It's just a little bit too expensive. But hey, that's what you're really gonna be paying for like car lots and stuff like that. And I know this one's gonna be a little bit more expensive because it was on the main street. But hey, you know, it is what it is. You know, what can you do? You know. But hey, I feel like everything is up for negotiation. I'm pretty sure, you know, like I said, it hasn't been rented in a while. So it's been, because I've been passing by here like probably like every day on my way home, and it's been nobody here for at least 6-8 months to a year. And it's not gonna be nobody's not gonna hop into the car business right now, for one, because the prices of cars are too expensive and it costs so much money to get started. So you know, because so they're asking $2,700 for this, and they're gonna want first and last month. So that's gonna be, you know, $5,400 plus the 10 to 12 grand, or 10 to 12 grand, whatever it's gonna cost you to open up. Just say 10 grand on the low end. So that's $15,000. So you're gonna invest $15,000 into this business right here, and you're not gonna have a car lot on your lot. So you know, for me, it'll just be paying the extra $200 to have a separate location, and then I'll just have to pay the first and last month's rent. But when that time comes, I'm gonna negotiate a better deal. I'm gonna let this property sit over here and be, you know, let nobody rent it out for a while, and just let it sit for a while, because then they'll come down on the price. Then we'll go from there. But yeah, let's get to the lot. Let's get some cars ready, and let's try to sell something. Let's get to it. LKQ back here again. You know, they always make a stop here.
Picking up limits, huh?
Look at that. We got lucky in the building over here. You know, gotta get some junk away from the lot, man. It made cars back there making the lot look bad, but we getting it filled up right here. So you know,
cleaning up shop, man. And we're under new management.
We're under new management.
Lucky came up here. We're under new management, man.
Oh, that was this. Look at that, you know, lot filling up. You know. All right. You know, lot filling up left and right. You know, we gotta get this little hoopty up out of here, man. It's just overall making the lot look bad. You know, it's over here on flat, but LKQ about to come pick it up and give it a new home. Somebody else, you know, I do the best in making. We gotta fix on my Trailblazer eventually. I'm gonna fix on it, you know, eventually. You know, I'm gonna get to it, but yeah, let's go over here and give my man Steve this title. You know, it's bad when you got their number saved and you know they know you. Look at that. This is my guy Steve right here. You know, he done been here so many times. He know me by name.
I've been here once or twice, huh?
Yeah, once or twice, you know. Should have my number.
Twice a week, every week for... All right.
Getting rid of my little beauty. Would have made somebody a good car, but hey, you know. LKQ here, picking it up. You know, can't win on every car. You won't win on every car. Just do your best to try make your losses as minimum as possible. I didn't really lose too much on this one, so it's basically, you know, I didn't win either, so hey. But the good thing is I didn't lose, so that's the good part about it. Dragging it. Extra strong winch. I gave him the key. He could have put out a gear button. I guess, you know, that winch is strong, you know. Oh, there you go. Put the key in there and put it out of gear. Make it easy on yourself. There you go. There you go. Now it's gonna go up there easy. Don't want to mess up your winch, man, on your nice tow truck. As you can see, it's on to a better place now. Let's get in there and talk about how much they gave me for it. Goodbye to it. Say nah, 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 nah. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye. It is what it is. It's on his way. On his way out of here. Hate to see it. You know, you can't win on everyone. You know, it is what it is. But hey, she's on to the salvage yard. Somebody will grab off some good parts for it. It'll find a new home there with somebody else, you know. But hey, somebody get some parts off of there. Transmission was in good shape, so it's got a good transmission. You know, the interior was good. So hey, you know, they'll make their money off of it. You go in there, but you know, let's see. As you can see, it's about to get up here on the truck, and but yeah, we're gonna go in here and I'll let you guys know how much I got for it, and that'll be it. Money, 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 money. Hello, just kidding. But as you can see, they gave me a check for my little car for $130. You know, hey, it is what it is. So 100 off the converter, 130 to LKQ. Got 2 tires and a battery off of theirs, and paid $290 for the car, just, you know, because it pushed through. So I mean, didn't really lose any money, but hey, I got 130, so I got $230 back. It is what it is, you know. Won't win on every car, but didn't take a bit too big of a loss. So you know, that's LKQ. If you got a 92 Chevy Cavalier that's junk, you know, they'll at least give you 130 bucks, or you can just part it out yourself, you know, take the converter off, part it out yourself, and a little bit of other stuff, and you get a little bit more money. But you know, LKQ will give you 130 bucks. But yeah, this is the end of this video. If you haven't already, you know, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell. Be dropping videos basically Monday through Friday. Again, a lot of stuff coming for you guys. Got the Wednesday walk around coming. Be at the auction tomorrow. Maybe get a little auction footage, just let you guys see if the price is still going to be up. We never know. We'll see. But thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. I'm out.